Guys, I'm craving like anything for instant noodles today. And you know why? Because it seems like monsoons are in a full mood this year and don't seem to come to a halt anytime sooner. So come, let's make some spicy, lip smacking, and of course, super duper quick veggie instant noodles. Start with taking 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, and once heated, add 1 chopped onion and saute until translucent or slightly pinkish. Then add grated ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste instead. Also add few green chilies or Thai pepper as per your preference. Now by preference I mean if you are someone who cannot tolerate or like the chili heat, you can absolutely skip it and please don't use it just because of any recipe calls for it. Then add 1 cup of crushed tomatoes followed by salt as per your taste. Saute and cook the tomatoes for few minutes, then add chopped vegetables of your choice. I'm using some carrots, bell pepper, green peas and some corn kernels. You can add any veggie of your choice. Then saute all the vegetables for a couple of minutes on high flame. Then lower down the flame and add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix and saute everything for a few minutes, then add 1 glass of water. Let the water come to one boil, then add your instant noodles. So I have taken 1 cake of instant noodle from the packet because that's more than enough for me. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your requirement. Then mix the noodles properly and cover the lid for just 2-3 minutes until it softens. Then open it quickly. Please remember, do not cover for long else the noodles will become lumpy and sticky. So see, in just 2 minutes this is done. The noodles are all cooked properly. Now add the Tastemaker given inside the packet. Now different instant noodle brands have different kinds of Tastemakers. Like some have chili oil along with the spice mix. So whatever seasoning mixes are given with your instant noodles, add it at this stage. Then at last, check and adjust for the salt if required. And that's it guys. Serve it hot and enjoy. Whether it's fall, monsoons or whenever you crave for spicy noodles, make this recipe and enjoy. Bye bye.